morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Cynthia Vlog. So guys, tayo ay mamamasyal ngayon. Lalabas tayo guys, kasama si Kuya Babo. Tingnan muna natin yung daan natin guys. So habang hinaantay natin si Kuya Babo guys, punta muna tayo saglit sa ating garden. Ayan guys, yung bahay namin yan. Oh my god, natumba na yung mangga ni Kuya Babo guys. Bangunin natin. Ito guys, yung mga tanim ng aking lolo, nakapaso siya guys. Dapat nakalagay sa sa lupa. Guys, daming bunga po to oh. And guys, dami pong bunga. Malakas po ang hangin dito guys. Ayan, namumulaklak na po tong kalamansi. Hindi kalamansi yan guys. Lemon. So meron din pong jarjar dito guys. Ayan. Guys, look at this. Ang dami pong bunga. Ayan. Dito rin yung talungan niya, guys. Ayan, pinitas ko nung kahapon yung talong niya, guys, dito. So, ayan po yung spinach ko, guys. Ako po ang may tanim dyan. Ayan. Dami pong bulaklak yung guys. Yung talong niya. Talong niyang madamot mamunga. Ayan po. Yung sili niya guys, ang sipag mamunga. Ayan, wow, daming bunga. Tignan po natin yung patola guys. Kylie Ziza. Ay, malapit ng mamatay guys yung yung patola. Ito guys yung ampalaya. Tanim ko po to pero hindi po siya namumunga. Last year po ang dami-dami pong bunga yung tanim kong ampalaya. Ayan yung patola. Ayan guys, may dalawa doon. Ito ang laki-laki din guys. Pero wala po tong buto. Ayan. Ayan guys, sa taas may maliliit din. Ito guys. Nag-curly na siya. Nag-curly. Guys, ang liit. Guys, tignan natin kung nasaan na si Kuya Babo at tara na po sa ating pupuntahan. Ayan, may flower pa siya guys. Ito yung bougainvillea. Ayan na si Babo. Hoy, don't take me. Let's go. Ito guys, yung garden niya. Dami-dami pong bulaklak. Come, let's go. Go to Mama May house. Ah? You don't clean car? Huh? You clean? You clean morning? So ayan guys, let's go to heaven. Let's go to heaven. Ayan guys, magtra-travel tayo kasama si Kuya Harry Babo King. Ayan. Ihahatid niya ako guys sa aking pupuntahan. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. Oh, don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't Don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Sees only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, boy, I swear I'll do the worst. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Will you stay forever? Let me hold your hand. I can feel those blazes in your heart, no one else can. Let me see your love. Oh, don't pretend. I'll be